Hi there everyone, hope you're all safe. Today it's how to draw a superhero face. So it is a portrait, but it's a particular style. Everything's blocky in this, just remember that as we're going along. Not a lot of natural curves, but it is fun. I loved drawing superheroes when I was a kid. Spent a lot of time drawing characters. So you can see I'm lightly sketching out the shape for the head, blocky side face into a block jaw. I'm going to divide the middle like so. This is where I'm going to locate the eyes. I'm going to create an eye socket by drawing a line underneath where I divided the face. I'm going to have the eyeballs hang underneath a little bit of this eyelid. I'm going to give this eye a little angle. I'm going to give him a nose. Don't need a lot of information, just some guide to let people know there's a nose here. I already broke my own rule. Should have been blocky, right? You can darken this up with Sharpie after. Put an eyebrow in. This side, it's kind of a, maybe he's giving a puzzled look. We'll decide what type of look he's going to be given. And the lips are halfway between the nose and the chin here. So I'm going to slant that side up. This is my bottom lip. Coming over to the middle. Make that bottom lip a little thicker than the top lip. Give that a slant too. Gonna give him a mask. I'm gonna have the headpiece come in like so. I'm gonna give him an earpiece for the mask. I'm gonna have a thick neck. Give him some thicker eyebrows. Make this nose a little blockier. I'm going to give it some hatching or lines down the side like so to give it a little bit of shading, not that much. I'm going to give him a jawline. Make this straight and blocky, which can come up and connect to the side of the costume if you want. Bring this dark line down. Same on this side. Give me a jawline. Darkening up the sides. If you want to give them shoulders, you do like this. So with the superhero, trying to make them bigger than life, appears strong. See, a little indentation there. And then we can finish off this piece of the costume. From here, I can start to decorate. Could bring some symbols in, my own choice of symbols. Let me see, give him a diamond or something here. Give it a little shading on one side, a little shading on the other. Also darken a little bit of this earpiece. This right here would be where the collarbone would start. This is a trap. This is the neck. So I have a little kind of a smirk right here. So if he smirks up, then the eye comes down, okay? And this side, everything's relaxed, okay? So that's what I'm trying to achieve up here. Might be some of the muscles going up like so. A lot of muscles on the face. And that is my superhero face. You can add color if you want. Even a background. Let me see, where can we put this guy? Put a planet back here. Put a rocket, I don't know. Spaceship of some type. Get creative. And I'll be back with more on these superheroes. Thank you. Bye.